Animon just exploded in popularity, and now everyone's stuck in a queue. But there's a way to skip the line and unlock the paid version for free. Here's how. Go to Animon AI, click Create and Share. Copy the end of your referral link, just the part after share. Paste it in the comments below. I'll reply with your full link. When 4 people reply to your comment saying, signed up, you're done. Then I move to the next person in line. It's a simple chain system, and if we all work together, everyone gets premium for free. Use image generators like PicLumen, Perchance, or ImageFX to prep your anime-style images. Keep your prompts safe. Banned words like naked will get blocked. Yes, even innocent ones like naked mole rat. Don't just say anime, fight. That's weak. Around here, we use the Coles method. C for camera, O for object, A for action, L for location, S for style. Like a director calling a scene, because you are the director. Drop your referral ID in the comments. Right now. I'll post your full link and help the first person who joins. Then it's your turn. Let's beat this wait time together. Best image generator pairings for Animon. AI top recommendation for speed. Perchance fastest generation allows up to 50 images at once. Tons of anime styles, soft, painted, Ghibli, cute, etc. Works best for filler animations, outfit, designs, or testing lots of scenes. Watch out, this is a free ImageFX generator suggested usage. Use this for speed running a storyboard. Best for mid-quality plus control, Google ImageFX, Imagen 3. Strong facial and pose consistency. Middle ground between photorealism and anime, great for hero-villain battles, emotional scenes, or epic standoffs. PicLumen Anime V2. Beautiful rendering of anime street scenes and soft glow effects. Feels like a Makoto Shinkai movie at times. Multiple model choices let you tune realism. ChatGPT image, DALL E3. Most accurate to prompt intent. Great for expressive emotional storytelling or dialogue scenes. Can handle religious, stylized, or poetic metaphors when other tools fail.